explore the dynamic architecture of viability, a transdisciplinary synthesis and research program led by Dr. Bikara Sahili. Reality is not a static hierarchy, but a dynamic, self-regenerating loop. From energy to organization, each stage flows into the next, creating a continuous cycle of life. The engine of viability is an organism-world circuit, where work becomes life-relevant through constraint and action changes the field that must be sensed again. Teleodynamics and active inference offer distinct yet complementary explanations for system constraints and inference. The viability grammar consists of 7 recurrent functions, each playing a role in the adaptive persistence cycle. Triadic diagnostics help identify systemic brittleness by examining relational coherence and characteristic failures. Triune aspect process monism offers 3 windows into relational becoming, integrating individual and collective experiences. Metaphysical distinctions reveal why universal consciousness isn't needed to explain phenomenal experience, contrasting analytic idealism with triune viability process monism. The relational exceptional math program advances from grammar to dynamics with strict domain discipline, bridging exact and conjectural relations. The field of viability involves cross-scale circulation, where downward conditioning and upward enactment form a historical process. Cross-scale viability testing reveals that collapse is preceded by a loss of signal fidelity, trust, and optionality across different domains. The ethics of viability emphasize life coherence and love, focusing on relational grammar and the wu-wei vector to guide interventions. The unified circulation connects matter, experience, and society as interconnected aspects of a historical viability loop. A disciplined research charter invites testing and scrutiny, focusing on minimal grammar, margin optionality, effective compression, and exceptional structure.